Hi. Remember in the last video, I told you I'm going to be talking about your RM, which is your resting metabolic rate, a little in depth. Well, this video is about that. So, your resting metabolic rate is called RM, which is resting metabolic, or the other name is BMR, which is basal metabolic rate, meaning it is your baseline, your basic amount of calories that you burn every single day, irrespective of you working out or not working out. आप जिंदगी में अगर आज के दिन कुछ भी नहीं करोगे, सिर्फ बेड में बैठ के नेटफ्लिक्स देखोगे, तो भी आपकी इतनी कैलोरीज बर्न होगी. दैट नंबर इज योर बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट और योर रेस्टिंग मेटाबॉलिक रेट. Okay, now the concept over here to grasp is very, very important. Let's say my BMR is 1500 calories. Meaning अगर मैं दिन में कुछ भी ना करूं तो भी मेरे 1500 कैलोरीज बर्न हो रहे हैं. कैसे बर्न हो रहे हैं, क्यों बर्न हो रहे हैं? बिकॉज आवर बॉडी इज अ मशीन, राइट? उसमें डाइजेशन हो रहा है, ब्रीदिंग हो रहा है, लंग्स हो रहा है, हार्ट इज मूविंग, नर्वस सिस्टम इज वर्किंग, सो मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी आर वर्किंग लाइक अ मशीन. तो मशीन को एनर्जी तो चाहिए ना, फ्यूल तो चाहिए ना. दिस इज योर एनर्जी. दिस इज योर बॉडीज नेचुरल. जो भी आपके बॉडी में फैट्स है, मसल्स, जो भी एनर्जी स्टोर्ड है, वो एनर्जी यूटिलाइज करेगा. तो आप कुछ भी ना करो तो भी आपके सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज बर्न होते हैं. हर इंडिविजुअल के लिए वो डिफरेंट है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर हाइट, वेट, एज, gender. All of those factors contribute, and the biggest factor that contributes is how much muscle and fat you have. So all of these factors contribute to understand कि आपका resting metabolic rate या BMR या basal metabolic rate कितना है. So that machine has given you all your basal metabolic rate. Now, just for example, for this example, let's say person A's BMR is 1500 calories. तो ए कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है तो भी 1500 कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहा है. नाउ लेट्स से, सो 1500 कैलोरीज वो बर्न कर रहा है. देयर आर टू सिचुएशंस ओवर हियर, सिचुएशन 1, सिचुएशन 2. ओके, he is burning 1500 calories. Now let's say person A came to me and worked out in the studio and burned another 300 calories via one workout session. So what is the total loss for the day? The total loss for the day is 1800 calories. He's losing 1500 via his BMR and he lost another 300 while working out in the studio. So his total loss is 1800 calories. But now of course he's going to eat food ना, वो fast तो नहीं कर रहा है. तो let's say person A ने 2000 calories consume किए. What is going to be the calculation for the day? It's going to be positive 200 calories. Agree? So this is a surplus situation wherein he's going to gain mass, gain muscle, gain fat, whatever it is that he's gaining, he will gain the mass because he's eating more than he's burning. Okay, now let's go to situation number 2. The same person's BMR is 1500 calories. He came to the studio and worked out for 300 calories. Total loss for the day is 1800 calories, but he is eating only 1500 calories in the whole day. Okay, so now his total calculation for the day is negative 300 calories. Agree? Because he has eaten lesser than what he is burning, right? So he is negative 300 calories. This is a deficit situation where he will lose mass, lose weight, lose muscle, or whatever it is, he will lose it. Understood? So person A, BMR is 1500 calories, meaning even if he doesn't do anything, he's still going to lose the 1500 calories. Situation 1, 1500 calories lost, workout, total loss for the day is 1800, but he's eaten food, total gain for the day is a surplus situation. This is a deficit situation. Here he's going to gain mass, gain weight. Here he's going to lose mass, lose weight. Understood? This and only this is the only science of weight loss or weight gain. If you want to lose the mass, and I'm not saying weight, which I'll explain to you why I'm not saying weight, I'm saying mass. It could be fat or muscle, doesn't mean. अगर आपको lose करना है तो आपको deficit में रहना है, energy deficit में रहना है, meaning जितना burn कर रहे हो उससे कम खाना है. आपको मसल मास गेन करना है या कुछ भी गेन करना है, आपको आपके बर्निंग रेट से ज्यादा खाना है. So this is the only science of weight loss, and if you understand, the only two factors over here that contribute to you changing your body is workout and nutrition. Okay, thank you very much.